So, ayun na nga. It's the first time to go Japan. So, nandito na ako ngayon sa Emirates departure area. Then, nag-self-check-in ako para makita ko yung baggage ko muna. And after that, waiting for the boarding time. Ayan. See you later, guys. Dito na ako sa waiting area. Now, approaching Japan. After 9 hours of traveling. Enjoy watching, guys. So, this is my hotel. So, 1-5 hotel here in Shibuya, Tokyo. So, 1 room siya with single bed, 1 bathroom. Ayan, good for 5 days. So, very comfy, guys, yung bed. Then, this is the grocery in front of the hotel. So, mini grocery siya na you can buy all Japan products, noodles, chocolate. Ayan. Medyo pricey siya, guys. Hello! So, explore po tayo. Meron tayo ditong salmon seaweed. So, try natin kainin ang authentic na salmon seaweed emero. Ano ba yung tawag dito? So, ganito siya, guys. Review. Ano siya? Parang walang laman. Walang laman sa loob. Masarap. Try this, guys. Meron siyang sauce sa loob. Authentic Japanese sushi. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Well, this one. Hungry.